Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today is the mystery box challenge. Yes, it is back. I'm so excited. So you guys don't know what the mystery box is. It is a bunch of us YouTubers get together and we all send each other some really fun gifts. This was an anything goes box, so we could purchase items from anywhere we wanted to. I sent my box to Jamie from the Crafty DIY Guy. Also, we have to send 2 challenge items that everyone has to use in their video. So you guys will have to check out Jamie's channel to see what I sent him and his mystery items. I think they were really great this time. And then the Crafty couple sent me my box, so we're going to jump in and see what they sent. All right, so they sent a card and then everything is wrapped. All right, so, okay. Challenge items are wrapped. Let's open these. I always like to open them first. So let's see what it is. Okay, baking cups. That's not so bad. This probably could have been way worse than this. So we'll have to figure something out there. And then let's see what this is. A light up nose. Well, I mean, we might as well try it on, right? Okay. I'm not sure what to do with this. I think, okay, wow. I can't get this to shut off, so. Okay, so those are my mystery items, or my challenge items. That's what I have to use for sure in this video. Let's see what else is in here. It looks like there's some really fun goodies. The first thing that I see are these candy jars with lids. These are from Dollar Tree. I've never seen these at mine before, so I am so excited about these. So they sent me 2. And then I don't know, oh, they must have, okay. And then there's also some galvanized numbers ornament kit. This is really cool. A little lantern. I have not seen these in my Dollar Tree in forever, so these are always super cute to redo for Christmas. Tumbling tower game. This is actually really big. I don't think I've ever seen them this large at my Dollar Tree before. This is super cute. The color is not so pretty, but you know, that's what paint's for. A couple canvases. A wine bottle bag, some cute ornaments. These look like they're from Walmart, and then some LED lights, some wood beads. These are always super fun to use. Then a cute little wooden tray. I actually bought one of these a while back from Hobby Lobby, and I've already made something with it, so I'm really excited to try and make another really fun tray with this. The last thing they sent was some wallpaper. This is really pretty. I haven't seen this at my Dollar Tree either. Alright, so for this month, Courtney from Create on the Cheap did come up with this mystery box challenge. If you guys are not new, you already know that. But every single month, she comes up with something super crazy, super weird, super whatever for a challenge item. This month, she wanted all of us to give back in some sort of way. I'm really trying to get this out. Really trying to be able to tell you guys what I decided to do for my challenge item. So as you guys all know, Courtney lost her mom in June. So I thought that I would give back to her for Christmas. Okay, I've been trying to get this out many times because holidays and Christmas and any sort of day, even if it's a Monday, we miss who we've lost, and I just wanted to do something for Courtney this year for Christmas. Okay, so I was trying to think of what I could do that would be so special. So what I did, I got online and I found this website. It's called Personalization Mall, and you can put a picture on any sort of thing that you want. So anyways, so Courtney, I'm thinking of you through the holidays every single day since June. So I wanted to send her a Christmas ornament so she can think of her mom this Christmas. I'm not gonna read what it says. I will take a picture because I can't even read it without crying. So it has a little saying on the front here. I nosed around on her Instagram and found a picture that she had of her and her mom, and I just wanted to give this to her for Christmas because that is what I wanted to give back this year. Courtney, I hope you love this. I hope you hang out on one of your 9 trees. So there. For this first DIY, I'll be using this ultra matte black spray paint and this lantern, and then I just grabbed a frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting the edges with the Waverly chalk paint in ink. I'm going to be making a really cute stand for winter. I had all intentions on doing a Christmas video, and it kind of all just turned into winter. It could actually go both ways. You could have it for Christmas. You could also have it for wintertime. All right, so I'm just going to be using this wallpaper sticker. I guess it's wallpaper, sticky wallpaper that was sent to me in my box, using that and the lantern that also came from there. I just ended up spray painting that black. Didn't show it on camera because it's wintertime and it's cold outside, and it takes about 6 hours for anything to dry. I had this candlestick from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be gluing it to the bottom. Yes, the bottom's not pretty, but nobody's ever going to know. This top is super cute, though, and then this lantern looks so good being black, and then I just threw one of these LED tea light candles, tea lights right inside lantern. Added some of this greenery. This was from Walmart last year. I hope they have it again this year. I have not seen it, but times are tough right now where I can't find greenery, florals, nothing for Christmas. So I thought this was perfect for Christmas and wintertime, and look how cute this looks. This didn't even take that long, and I'm absolutely in love with this. I love this lantern. I knew it was going to look so good coming out of the box. But I knew it was going to look better being a different color. One, I'm using that felt ornament kit. I'm just going to be using the tree and tracing it on some plywood, and then I just had my husband cut out these trees. I knew there was going to be no way I would be able to make straight lines, and like I said, it's cold out, so I was not going to be outside cutting these. He likes being outside. He enjoys the cold, so when it comes to things like this, he is all for it. And then once they were cut out, he sanded them down, and then I just painted them with the Waverly chalk paint in white. Along with those trees, I had these tree cutouts from Chalkateur along with these transfers. I love using these silk transfers from Chalkateur. I think they just make everything look so high end and so pretty, and I knew I wanted those larger trees just to be white, but I wanted to have like some black and white something in here, so I thought that I could just layer a bunch of these trees, and I think this turned out so good. I will also link Chalkateur in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. But I love the way these all turned out, and I think the 4 trees together look amazing. DIY, I'll be using this wine holder, and all I did was just use another frame from Dollar Tree, and then I love these ones with the beads on the top because you really can just pull out the back side without having to re-glue anything. And then I'm just going to be using this buffalo check as a backer for the sign. Just added a ton of Mod Podge to this, and then I just laid this little backing or this little fabric piece on the back, and this dried really nice and actually stuck pretty well. And then you're already going to just be adding it right back to the frame anyways, so it works out perfect and it holds really well. And I'm just using a rotary blade to cut the pieces down. It just works so much easier than scissors. little Santa stake from Walmart. I think this was from a couple years ago, and I just ripped the Santa off, and then I just added some of these Jenga blocks to the back side because I wanted this to be centered in the frame, and I was not able to glue it anyway unless I had some sort of backing, and I'm just adding a couple more. And that is all I did for this one. And I love this silver Santa. I didn't have to paint him or do anything with him. He looked perfect the way he was. One, I'll be using 3 of these tree ornaments from Dollar Tree along with this ultra matte spray paint and the beads from the box. I had some other beads I picked up off Amazon, and I love these. They have the buffalo check, they have black, they have gray. I think these are perfect. So I ended up just spray painting the trees, and then I'm just going to be making a super fun garland with these, with the larger wooden beads along with the smaller ones I picked up off Amazon. And I will link those for you guys too. I use these for fall, and I thought, what's a perfect way to use some more in the wintertime? Okay, so for one of the mystery items was that Rudolph nose. I'm going to be using some foam balls, the Rudolph nose, and some mop heads. I love using mops. If you guys are new to my channel, I made so many fun things with the mop heads from Dollar Tree, and I just wrapped it around the styrofoam balls along with the Rudolph nose to make a really cute snowman ornament. And I just used a lot of hot glue and just keep wrapping the mop because you can see they are in smaller strands. So this does take some time, but I thought this turned out really cute when it was completely finished. I just love how this turned out, and you can't even tell it was Rudolph nose. You'd think it was just a styrofoam ball. I was really glad that this was shaped in a circle, or I think I would have had a lot more issues. And then I'm just finishing off the bottom, and you can always like cut around the mop. If there's some like pieces that are kind of sticking out, you can just re-glue those. And then I was just testing out the waters to see what this looked like. I painted the Jenga blocks with Waverly chalk paint in black. They did have to be cut down just a little bit. I did not like them, so I had my husband cut those as well when he was cutting the trees out. It was like a win-win for me because he was already outside with the saw. So no biggie. These cute little burlap bows came from Hobby Lobby. They are just the right size for this snowman hat. And then I just had some buttons from Dollar Tree as well. I've had these for years, but sometimes you can find them with the socks or with the t-shirt area. Like I have a nice little area with like purses and t-shirts and things like that. So I can usually find buttons all the time, but I've had the same pack of buttons for probably the last 3 years now, and I kind of only use them for snowmen. So I just used it for the eyes and the little buttons, and then I just used some felt for his nose, and then glued the little Jenga block hat on when it was done being cut. Tie this off, I just used some ribbon from Dollar Tree to make a cute little scarf for him, and this matches his hat. I think it just looks so stinking cute. No, I did not add a mouth. People have issues that I don't like to add mouths to my snowman, but I just think he looks cute the way he is, and I'm not really sure what I would use for a mouth since this is like a mop, like yarn. So let me know if you guys added a mouth, what you would use, if you would just use felt or little tiny buttons or beads, or yeah, let me know that in the comments below. I'll be using the tray from Hobby Lobby. I just ended up using the Waverly chalk paint and ink and painting this entire thing black. I was going to add a stencil to the center of this, and then I was like, you know, if I do, you're not going to be able to see it anyways because I'm going to be putting things on the top of this. Sometimes it's just nice to have a plain tray for all year long. And then I just added those jars. I ended up finding one at my Dollar Tree. And then I have 3 of these to make a cute little hot chocolate bar. So I added hot chocolate to one, marshmallows, and candy canes to the other. Super quick DIY. This is my other mystery item, these cupcake liners. So I seen Courtney from Creative on the Cheap make these super cute faux cupcakes. Well, I lost my foam balls that I had left over from the Snowman. Couldn't find them to save my life. They probably got thrown away or something. I grabbed caulk from the Dollar Tree. I tried making these faux cupcakes. Could not find any like baking anything around my area, like the piping bags, the fun. Couldn't find nothing. Like I was seriously at a loss. So I cut eggs, added them to the center, used a fun caulking technique I have. I will tell you right now, it was just, I would have rather caulked a bathroom than do these. I thought this last one turned out really, really cute, and then they ended up sinking, and when I pulled them out, I realized the bottom caulk wasn't dry, and this is what they looked like when they were done. Like Hot Mess Express, we can't win everything. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, the playlist for the mystery box will be in the description box below. Thank you, Crafty Couple, for sending me my box. Also, make sure you check out Jamie's video so you can see what I sent him. But that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!